Today, we're going to meet some friendly farm animals and their cute babies. Are you ready? Let's go! It's a cow. A baby cow is called a calf. Let's say together, cow and calf. Say one more time, calf. It's a chicken. A baby chicken is called a chick. Let's say together, chicken and chick. Say one more time, chick. It's a pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. Let's say together, pig and piglet. Say one more time, piglet. It's a goat. A baby goat is called a kid. Let's say together, goat and kid. Say one more time, kid. It's a sheep. A baby goat is called a lamb. Let's say together, sheep and lamb. Say one more time, lamb. It's a horse. A baby horse is called a foal. Let's say together, horse and foal. Say one more time, foal. It's a duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. Let's say together, duck and duckling. Say one more time, duckling. That's all for today, little friends. Thanks for watching. Must like, share and subscribe.